in all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Gonna be doing something at a place I've never been to called Boss Burger. I'm already immediately happy because they have my favorite fries, crinkle cut, which I dropped. Actually bought two burgers actually, because there's a down and out gentleman sitting out front. He's like, hey, can you buy me a burger? I said, yeah, sure, I'll buy you a burger. Why not? I typically don't like giving money, but you know, I'll give food. So the burger I got is the Cowboy. It's bacon, cheese, an onion ring, barbecue sauce, and mayo. So I'll turn it down and give you a look at it. There you go, pretty much your standard burger. Let's give it a try. Well, and of course the awesome crinkle cut fries. Because we're dealing with barbecue sauce, I'll make sure I use the not bad. All right. Oh, there's something on the menu called Boss Sauce. Which looks and smells exactly like all the other burger sauces that's around here. And it tastes like it too. Oh wait, there's something else in there. That sauce has a little bit of kick to it. Almost like a spice. I can't tell if it's could be a little sriracha. Alright. I appreciate a little heat in my burger or my fresh sauce. I was not expecting that. Alright. Let me enjoy my burger off camera. I gotta be honest. That was a good burger. It wasn't too big either. It wasn't, it's like you got that nice pleasantly full without being like, ugh. And I will say, I'm really surprised that they had a spicy sauce. Now, of course, I like a little spice, so for me, it's not a real kick in the jaw. If you don't like spice, though, you might not like it. I think the sauce is actually pretty money. I like the fact, I appreciate the fact it's got a little kick. It's not just that mayo mustard mix or mayo ketchup blend that, yeah, secret sauce that's the same everywhere else. It's a good place though. Let's go ahead and cut to the menu. Oop, that was really just disgusting. Let's cut to the menu and then we'll wrap things up. Alrighty, so as you can see, I'm actually editing the video right now. Got a whole bunch of stuff from Canada too. Wink nudge. So I'll hold that up. So let's hit the menu here. Just make sure it's all straight. Let's go to order online. So we can see they have some of these prices may be different, but we've got the Dub C burger, tub of fries, which I didn't get, although they have crinkle cut, my favorite. I had the cowboy burger, and they have breakfast too, which they got the Boss platter, pancake sausage, hash browns, scrambled eggs, which sounds really good. Boss muffin, French toast, hot drinks. They got a black bean burger, hot Boss or Boss hog burger, which is 2 patties, cheese, bacon, sliced ham, pickles, onion, lettuce, Boss sauce. Sounds pretty good. Heavy hitter burger, 2 beef patties, bacon, grilled onions, jalapenos, hot link burger, triple whammy burger, bacon sriracha. Oh, they have a bacon sriracha chicken sandwich. So, crispy buffalo, Boss chicken sandwich. And then they have battered onion rings, corn dog bites, which I actually like corn dogs. So corn dog bites. Oh, I say they have 10. They have 5 deep fried. I didn't see deep fried Oreos. Dang. French fries, mac and cheese bites, tenders and fries, and they got kids meals. Then you can get extras like an extra patty, a fish fillet patty, extra cheese, whatnot. And like I said, this will be linked down in the description. Excuse me, this is actually a Seattle address, but it's like really, really South Seattle, like almost at the border between where I live and Seattle. So then you have your drinks. Alrighty, and as always, I always do appreciate you watching. Thank you. Don't forget, there'll be a playlist on the end card, plus the last video that I went to. I might even link their website at the end card as well. Sometimes the links in the description don't always work, so. Anyway, thanks again. We'll catch you in the next one. If I can find it, I gotta find more places. I missed a weekend. Missed a week because I didn't have any place to go, but I've been finding a few more, so hopefully we can get back to it. All right, see ya.